Hi, very happy day to you. Today is 30th July and International Friendship Day. So today is the right day. I thought I will do this particular video. I am Dr. Yogita Mamdura and I am in many WhatsApp group and quite active too as far as I can. I keep reading a lot of messages which comes and the lots of videos which are shared. I ensure that I go through each and every one because I do not know when it will probably be useful for me. So I always ensure that I read messages, however lengthy it is, and even if it's repeated, yes, of course I'll delete, but then I ensure that I go through the messages. There's one nice message that I read, and I do not know who the writer is, so I cannot give credit to the person, but बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे, and I want to put this across, especially to the WhatsApp group people. That one which I am in, and if you're sharing it, you can put it in your WhatsApp group too. There is one particular person who is quite active in the group, and when meetings are happening, also is often there in the meeting and is always interacting. Suddenly goes lull for quite some time. So the leader of the group decides to go and check on him. When he goes there, the host, the person, the man, opens the door but doesn't say anything. Just smile, just a small greeting. The leader notices that this man is sitting near that fireplace, okay, where the fire, one by one, the log which is put across and the fire flames are just going on. Not exchanging any words as such, the leader and the host are sitting there and just enjoying the flames which are dancing around. After some time, with this lots of lull period, quiet moment and all, you see the ember, all this coal which is now getting really heat and the red in color and all that. With the help of a pair of thongs, with the help of this thongs which are there, the leader will take up one of those, there's lots of this ember which is moving around, one which is really shining, takes it with the help of the thong and just places aside, just keeps it aside. The host sees that but doesn't say anything. It's just quiet. They still don't talk and not interact anything. After some time, after all the dancing of the flames are done, the coal and all is done, and the fire will subside, right? So after the fire subsides, now everything, the heat has come down. They decide, okay, now it's the time to move. So the leader just got up. But before going, what he does, that ember which he had taken out, okay, now there is only dead coal here, okay, in the fireplace. So what he had taken out with the help of thongs again, because it was quite hot that side, so takes it and places it again in that fireplace. Now the surrounding where there was only dead coal which was there, because of this bright ember which was there and he puts across, it starts little by little picking it up. And then the host looks at him, the leader smiles, they both exchange the looks, and then the leader decides to leave. The host at that time says, thank you for coming and checking on me, and thank you for the lovely message. I shall be active in the group very soon. Did you get the message? Did you realize what this is? Friends, see, when you are in some group, what happens is, there are times which are very irritating, lots of messages going, you're not able to catch up, you have some personal things come up, and yes, of course, that respect is there. But please remember, you are also one of the flames in the fire in the WhatsApp groups, or any groups as such. And suddenly, you just leave. Now you don't realize, along with you, you have also taken the fire with you. When you're not able to be in touch, it's a respect, it's understandable. But do come back again. When you leave, you're taking away that part of you along. And then there is a lull moment in the group, right? So whenever something happens, make sure that you come back again. This is a message to all my such friends who just vanish, leave. I request you on this Friendship Day, friends, don't leave. You are a part of that fire, dancing fire in the group. Anytime and every time we will be together. We shall reach out to each other. There are tough times. Many of us face. We are human beings. But then yes, of course, we will make sure that we will stay together. Be a part of the dancing fire in each one's life. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and be happy always. Yogita signing off.